Good morning, students. So we are here with a new online class. As you all aware that in last class we have learned about lines and angles and especially lines problems. So in order to that as we followed, now today we are going to see some problems based on this lines. As you can see on the board, there are three lines L and N which are parallel to each other, and one transversal P is intersecting all these three lines. We need to find angle 1, 2 and 3 which is given in between them. Okay, else nothing is given to us. Okay, there are an angle x, y and opposite to y there is 120 given and z also given to us. So we need to find 1, 2, 3 and x, y, z together. Okay, let's see. Whenever one angle is given in this combination, we can find all others angles with the help of the properties that we have discussed in previous lecture. Let's see now. First you can see that this y and this 120 are vertically opposite. So we will start from that point because it is the only angle which is known. Okay. So we can write angle y is equals to 120 degree. And how it is? By vertical opposite angle property. Okay? Now this is vertically opposite angle, so that angle y is equals to 120. Okay? Now y and x are, as you can see, they are corresponding angles, so that x is also equal to 120 which is equals to y. Okay, by corresponding angle property. So writing corresponding angles, they are equal. Okay. Now from x we can find the angle 1 by linear pair because they are on one line, single line. So by linear pair, angle 1 is equal to 180 minus angle x. Angle x is 120, so that this angle 1 will be 60 degrees. Okay, now angle 1 and 3 again corresponding angles. So we can write angle 1 is equal to 3 equal to 60 degrees because of corresponding angle property. Angles. Okay, you can apply different properties also. So there is no problem with that. As you can see, these two angles and 120 are alternate integers. So like that, you can write angle 2 is equals to 120 by alternate interior angle property. Okay, so that 2 value also equal. Now 2 and z are vertically opposite, so that z is also equals to 120. As you can see, by vertically opposite. Okay, now, so x, y and z value we got, angle 1, angle 2 value we got, okay, angle 3 is remaining, now angle 3 also we got, that it is equals to angle 1. So as you can see that by applying these properties, we can find all of the angles held in that parallel line. Now let's see some number problem in that. Okay, let's discuss some number problem. I'm just rubbing it. It is of various type problems. Now problem 2 we can see. It's carrying different angles, different parallel lines. Okay, let's see. There is a one parallel line, like that one transversal, again one parallel line. Here in between one line also, again one parallel line. So it's like this. It's called AB. This is AC, CEF, and this is CD. This angle is given 70 degree. Okay, this angle is given 130 degree. What you need to find? You need to find ACE. This angle you need to find out. Okay. Now see, we will solve it by the property only. Okay, let's see how to use that properties here. Okay, these lines are parallel. Okay, this and these three all three lines are parallel. We can extend it to infinite up to infinite like this. There is no problem with that also. But how to find this? Let's see. See first. By co-interior angle property. Okay, co-interior. Because this is the two parallel lines, we all know that in two parallel lines, the angle of the same side are co-interior, and the sum of the co-interior angle is equals to 180. So by applying that property, by co-interior angle property, this angle CEF plus angle ECD is equals to 180 degree. Now CEF is 130. This angle we don't know. We can write. I am writing it as C only. So angle C will become 180 minus 130. That is equivalent to 50 degree. So this angle will be 50 degree. Now as you can see, this angle and this whole angle, we can assume it as a value as x. So this both angles can be same by alternate interior angle. If you have learned that property, as you can see, in that we will find that z. This is the z. So this cross angle will be the alternate interior, right? So by we have learned another property now. This is alternate interior property. So by alternate interior angle property, this angle A is equal to angle ACB. Now angle A is 70 degree and ACB computes 15 plus x. So you have to write it x plus 15. We transpose this 50, so that 70 minus 50 gives us 20 degree. As you can see. So the value of ACE, angle ACE, that comes equals to 20 degree. That is your answer. Okay, this is how you can get your answer by applying the various different properties. Okay, let's see a few more problems based on this. Let's see some difficult problems. Let's see. There are two parallel lines. Okay, question like these are fun. Okay, and in this parallel line, as we can make two more lines are there, which are joined at a point M. Okay, this is X and this is Y. This line is PQ and this is RS. We need to find this angle M, and these two angles are given to us, which is 135 degree this angle and the other angle this is 40. Okay, now let's see how to find this angle. Okay, the shape is given like this. Okay, I hope you can see it clearly. Now see, what we are doing here is, as you can see, there are only two parallel lines like this. Okay, and in between there are two lines that are joining at a point. Okay. At the joining of the point, we need to find the angle. So what we are doing here, the extra edge, on the extra edge of that point, we'll draw another line like this. Okay. Now see, all these three lines are parallel. Now as you can see, first two lines, I will give it a name JK. Okay. Now in that JK line, JK is parallel to PQ as well. So we, by construction, draw a line JK parallel to PQ and RS. All three are parallel to each other. Now see, in the first two lines, we can apply the property of co-interior angle. They are on the same side. So by co-interior angle, what we can say that this small x, I will give it a name, small x plus 135 is equals to 180. So that is small x will come 180 minus 135 means 45. So this small angle will come as 45. Again, at the downside, again we are applying the same property. Again by co-interior angle property. This small y and 40 are alternate because it's not co-interior. By alternate interior, because now there is no angle of the same side, this is cross angle. So by alternate interior property, this small y is equals to 40. Now this x plus y together will form that angle m is equal to x plus y, and that is 45 plus 40 means 85. So that's how you can find the value of a specific angle on the edge in between two parallel or three parallel lines. Got it? Okay. It's quite easy when you start applying it. Okay, you are free to do whatever you want to do. Like I have drawn a parallel line. You can extend the line also. Okay, you can extend that x line to the base and make a triangle, and then you can find the angle. Okay. Do it by yourself. Try it. The answer would not be different. Okay, procedure can be different, but answer will be the same. Okay. Okay. Now we'll see some HOTS problem, because the chapter is about to end now. So there is no much to do to find. Okay. We'll have a different problem now. Let's see. There are two parallel lines. Okay. One line joining, another line extended, and they are then joined like this. This is x, this is 20, and this is 65. These lines are line L and M, which are parallel. Okay. We need to find this x. Okay. These are parallel. The arrow, the sign arrow is denoting the parallel. As you can see, I have made arrows here. The arrow denotes the parallel. Now, these two lines are parallel. We need to find this x. Okay. First you will see. Okay. As you can see, this is 65. So what I am doing here is, I can draw here also 65 by corresponding angle property. So, first by corresponding angle property, this angle comes 65. Now see, this angle I am giving it a name MPQ. So angle MPQ is equal to 65. Okay. Now see, by linear pair also we can draw, we can find this angle, interior angle. Okay. Else you can apply the interior angle linear pair property, or you can find the exterior angle property. But exterior angle property till now we didn't learn, so that we are not applying that property. So by linear pair, this interior angle P will be 180 minus angle P, that is 65. So it will come as 115. Now this is 115. So now by angle sum property. Angle sum property, you have all have learned. Angle sum property says the sum of all angles is equals to 180. So that 115 and 20 and x together it can be 180. So that x comes 180 minus 135 will give us 45. So that angle x will find out. Okay, that's how we can do. It's quite easier. Okay. Let's see one more typical problem. Okay, first of all, whenever you start doing it, you find few questions difficult, okay, but as you apply your knowledge, it becomes easier for you. Let's see one more problem. It is quite different diagram. That's parallel but joint at the end. Q, B, A, T, C. This is angle X, this is 25, and this is 105. Okay, which line has to be extended and what else we have to do? Just have patience and keep doing it with patience. Let's see now. These two lines, as you can see, this PQ and CP are parallel lines, right? Okay, first of all, you need to find the parallel lines. Now, what we can do here is, as you can extend this AC line, okay, so that we can apply few of the properties, okay, or else we can join this BC. But whenever we see, remember, if we join BC here, this B angle will be separated as 2 parts. Okay, so we don't want to do that. So what we can do here is, we just extend this AC line to the backward. Let's see how it became like. Like this it will become. Okay. Now for this two line, BC and BQ, this A line will be AC line, extended line will be a transversal. Okay. So by corresponding angle, this X, this is also X, our equivalent X. Okay, now see, this X, okay, we need to find. Now here you can see this is like a triangle. Now this whole shape is like a triangle. I am giving it a name Y. So this YBA has become a triangle now. Okay, and this is the linear pair of this X, so that it will be 180 minus X. Okay, so bilinear pair, this interior of Y is equal to 180 minus X, and by angle sum property of a triangle, it will be 180 minus X plus 105 plus 25 is equals to 180 itself. Now see, 180 will get cancelled with this 180. X will transport to other side. This will become 130 is equals to X. So that's how you will get the value of X. It will become as 130. And that is the exterior angle property itself. I will explain the exterior angle property because it came like this. Okay, exterior angle property is quite come by this concept only. Okay, this angle sum concept. The angle sum concept you might have seen. Angle sum. First of all, I am explaining you this. Like in a triangle, there are 3 angles. If you cut it down, all the angles or the parts, and you arrange them, it will be arranged like this. Okay, these 3 parts will give you a straight line, which means the angle of a straight line or a straight angle is 180. So this is how you can explain the angle sum property with the activity you can do. And by that you can find the exterior angle property. What exterior angle property is saying? See, suppose this is 1, 2, 3 angle. Okay, we all know that by angle sum 1, 2, 3 sum is equals to 180. Okay, by angle sum. And these two angles are sharing a line, so that this angle will be 180 minus 1. Okay, so by linear pair, this exterior of 1 is equal to 180 minus angle 1. Now see, you can find this 2 plus 3 also, it is also giving the same value, so that this angle 2 plus 3 will be equal to this angle 180 minus 1. So what it shows? It shows the exterior angle is equal to the sum of 2 interior angles. Okay, this is the property, it's called exterior angle property. Exterior angle property. What it says, the exterior angle is equals to sum of two co-interior angles. Okay, sum of two interior angles. So like this you can see that how we can find the property as well with the help of properties, different properties. So please do these questions accordingly by using these properties. The rest of the chapter we will discuss in class. Please do practice, lots of practice is needed while doing the maths. So don't afraid to maths. Yesterday I have learned a quote. That quote says that the scarier thing, okay, the scary things are sign of doing it. Okay, the meaning of that thought is what? That if you are afraid or scared by anything, so it is actually a sign to do it. Okay, to overcome your fear. Okay, whenever we want to overcome from our fear, what we are doing, we just stood up in front of it and we just do it. So whenever those students, especially those who are afraid of maths or scared from maths, doing maths, for you I am telling that if you do it proper way, or first you can assume that you can do it. Okay, so whenever you start doing it, it will become easier for you to do. So please keep doing, please keep learning, please be safe and keep studying. Thank you and have a nice day.